My name is Robert Ullström, and I will talk you through our automation sensors application area. A machine works like a human being. Just as we humans, we perceive the environment with our sensors. Will a machine actually recognize the environment with sensors, devices, and positioning systems? The machine continuously record signals and send them back over the network to the control unit that will then make the interpretation of the signals and send back signals to another unit that will then trigger an action to get the machine in motion. This is an area where we see a very strong and good opportunity for TE to support. Is that we see an increased demand for power and data processing within the reduced space. So we see miniaturization is the key word in this market. We see simplification and ease of installation to reduce and minimize and even exclude any kind of maintenance for this. We see a distributed control delivery where the data computing is moving out of the physical control cabinet and out to the edge of the systems. Moving the data out of that means that we actually can then have seeing opportunities today where you can have the data not only being transmitted from an edge of the system into the controller, it can actually be processed out in the edge of the system and then just returning data back when it is needed for some kind of action. We see real-time operation, and we see also a lot of directly connection from the control device directly up to the cloud. We have a couple of customer applications here in our stand today, and we are having here one pneumatic control and sensing unit where actually not only the connectors are coming out of our TE solutions, both on the outside and inside here, but also some of the designed connectivity modules in the base of the unit is designed and manufactured within TE connectivity. Another example is here in safety laser scanner. That is a typical product used in all the AGVs, every moving device that you have in the automated warehousing. Inside here, you have a huge requirement for small, fine-pitch connectivity solutions that are really working within the safety requirements to ensure that we are meeting all the requirements that is defined to make this work in an environment where there's high demand and all the requirements. We have all of these I/O connectors where we see the different kind of modular jacks still used at the widest range, but of course within the automation sensors, the main products used are related to the M8 and 12 product portfolio that we have. Together with the ERNI portfolio, we would say that we have a very strong portfolio to support all the customers' requirements related to this. Very much it's about miniaturization within automation sensor units. So most of this here will be the smaller board-to-board solutions to be able to connect one PCB to another and optimize the space used within the unit. With the ERNI portfolio, together with that recently redesigned AMP module 2mm and 1mm, we're having a very strong portfolio to support you with this. We have a different kind of variety of labels that is always used in this. A supplementary product that we see a good fit into this market. We're having different kind of RITs connectors depending on if you have a pigtail solutions for your sensors. And of course, one area here on the right side is related to the force-guided relays. We talk about safety in this area, and force-guided relays are the key when you need to switch with safety and make sure that you meet all the requirements related to this. One area as well where we are supporting is, of course, different kind of sensor solutions. It can either be a sensor that you position on the printed circuit board or devices that are ready to mount directly onto your device. This is an area where definitely we see a massive increase, and we see that within our customers that they are having a lot of new developments and new solutions coming up. TE connectivity can within this area support with an advanced board signal solutions that is meeting all the requirements in terms of space and as well signal integrity and data speed. We have as well solutions for robust, fast and safe signal transmissions, board-to-board, board-to-cable, in which we're having a real-time communication. TE has as well state-of-the-art solutions where we can offer you for one cable solutions where you are having power and data within one cable. We also have the possibility to support you with customized design solutions and also having all the safety requirements, which is a key into this area.